Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. We got another random day here in London. What do I got going on today? For the most part, I've been out doing stuff majority of the day. It's later in the afternoon, it's starting to get warm, and I thought I would walk around and explore the Soho and the Chinatown area. Don't exactly know if I'll stay in the Soho or the Chinatown area, but that's the plan for now. That place is really busy down there. Ever since I've been here, I've noticed a crazy long line, and I think this line over here has something to do with that other line. That might be a Supreme store, by the way. You guys know that brand Supreme that's like super basic, that's super popular. But anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Now today is a Sunday afternoon and it is pretty dang busy. It's pretty busy everywhere. Oh, what is this? This is a church that I've walked by before, but I've never checked it out. Makes me wonder if there's free Wi-Fi here. Let's go. Oh wow, it's a gorgeous day. Wow, what a stunning day. And we have Chinatown straight up ahead. Okay, Chinatown everywhere, all over the world. They all have so many things in common. They're usually always busy. I don't know if it's just me, but it seems like this Chinatown's on the small side. Wow, what's down here? This looks pretty weird. Okay, so this looks like the other end of Chinatown. I kind of went out of Chinatown and I'm just gonna go back in Chinatown and then make a right. Oh, it's so busy out right now. Oh, there are tons of people out. This is the entrance of Chinatown here. For some reason, I kind of want to go snoop around in this area before I stroll through Chinatown. There's some M&Ms. There is like a crazy long line. I wonder what's going on over here. Oh, never mind. It's not a line. It's just a whole bunch of people gathering around. So this area seems like it kind of reminds me of Times Square in New York. Happy Chinese New Year. And Chinese medicine. A hot buffet. Eat as much as you like. 8 pounds, not bad, huh? You still need some Chinese takeout or need a Chinese buffet? Oh, this reminds me of Hong Kong so much right here. No, wait, this whole street reminds me of Hong Kong. Yeah, Hong Kong, British, and yeah, you guys get it. Oh wow, I thought it was just like 2 entrances. I guess it's more than one. There's another entrance. Wow, look, what is that building straight ahead? The tall building next to the cranes. Not in Chinatown, way over there. I don't know, it looks pretty tall. All right. Looks like I'm gonna have to make a left because I don't want to go right. I want to get back to that main street. What about Chinatown? So now I think I'm gonna go ahead in the direction towards King's Crossing. I won't be back there for some time, but maybe I'll grab some food along the way. Look for a different vegan option that I haven't already had. I've had Beyond Burgers like 2 days in a row or something like that. I need to give the Beyond Burgers a break for now. So much to see, so much to look at. Okay, so I know everybody has seen the old school payphones in London, but this is the more modern ones. Check it out. Has this huge screen on it. Does it work? Local map. And there's also lots of advertisements. Ooh, get you some wild stuff. Hot and sexy. Wow, I tell you, they just got them all over here, man. Britain's finest. Oh wow, is that a Chipotle? I haven't seen a Chipotle in ages. Oh my gosh, right now I'm in Primark. I don't get how these prices are so cheap. That towel back there was £4 or like $5. There's so many really good deals here. I don't exactly understand. Next time I leave the US, I should just only leave with the clothes that I'm wearing, and just leave with an empty backpack. Because why do I bring sand to the beach? What kind of shoes are these?
They are.
I'm just kind of curious. How much are these? What, 10 pounds or something? 18 pounds. I guess they're not bad for walking, right? Holy cow, look at that line. If I buy anything, I'll have to make it worth it for sure. Need some sunglasses? £2. All kinds to choose from. Oh, what about a wallet? Anybody carry wallets nowadays? £5. Super cheap. Oh, what about some insurance salesman shoes? Or these are the lawyer shoes here. And then over here is the used car salesman shoes. No, these are the shoes of, you know, when you're selling suits in the mall or something. Then these shoes right here, those you know, you work at the country club, you wear these. And then these super lazy shoes with the memory foam inside. Oh, I feel so good right now. My feet hurt like crazy, yo. Too much walking in this London. Look at all these shoes, so many to choose from. I should actually get a pair of these. Oh, these come with memory foam. Oh wow, these are crazy comfy, and these got memory foam too. I don't know if I can be rocking some Primark shoes in the airport, you know. Oh, here goes some worker boots here. 20 pounds. That's like what, $25. I mean, these boots aren't bad. I'm not a big fan of the color, but I'm sure they got other colors around here. Dude, this just goes on and on and on. For a minute, I thought these were some Nike Air Max. But no. Dang, what are these joints? Bam. Oh, check these out. Oh, I like these Nikes right here. Fresh Nikes. I don't think I've ever seen a sock section so big. I don't need any socks. I brought too many socks on this trip. Dude, we need one of these in San Francisco. Like, I would literally go crazy. Like, I wouldn't do laundry anymore. I would just come here and buy stuff, like, all the time. Hey, I think I found my store. Blacks. I wonder what that's all about. It looks like a camping sporting goods store. Okay, making my way back to King's Cross, and Google Maps is sending me through parks that I never knew were here.